Y'all, is my outfit cute? It's giving cozy, but make it cute. So, me and Mariah's here, by the way. Mariah came to kick it. She came to visit. We are about to go to an influencer event, and it's about to be cute. We're going to capture some things, and then after that, you know, we're going to San Diego because she wants to go to San Diego. So, it's going to be a vibe. I'm going to vlog it all for you guys, and you guys get to come along. Stay tuned. You guys, so the line is really long. First of all, didn't even know there was gonna be a line, but there's a line. The event supposedly is supposed to end in about 30 minutes. The line's very long, but I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna ask questions because I better make it in and I better get all the stuff that's in there. TBD. TBD. We're a little closer to the door. Shout out to Shorty's outfit. Yes, period. And body. We're getting closer. Sure, why not? Thank you. Okay, you guys, so the event ended up being like amazing. Like, we were a little bitter because it was cold and because there was no telling us that there was like a line and everything, and basically they told a bunch of people a certain time and then they told a bunch of other people certain times. So certain people showed up late, certain people showed up early, but we met cool people. It was amazing. We spent way too much time there, but it was a vibe. And then now we are getting Thai food at this place called Palms in Hollywood, and it's been on my list because somebody recommended it to me. So now we are here, about to enjoy some Thai food. Look at this cutie that came to visit me. So this is the menu. There's like a wide variety of things that are here. We're getting a bunch of things so that we could just kind of like pig out.
Is there a dairy?
Jasmine tea.
I think we should let this steeple level.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. Cheers. Bet it tastes good.
You guys, so this is just a check-in, just to let you guys know that absolutely nothing eventful happened today. So there was really no point of recording anything, but we pretty much just did some admin and stuff. Well, Mariah worked, and then I gave a friend a ride, dropped off a Poshmark package, then I did a whole bunch of nothing low-key, then took her to the store. We ran some errands for her. We got pizza, and then now we're just here. But we are actually gonna go to San Diego in the morning or whatever time we end up leaving because it keeps getting pushed back. So stay tuned. Good night. Good morning. So we were low-key, high-key supposed to have been left, but you know, it's comfy and warm laying and we're trying not to force anything. So it is about to be 10 right now. She wants to be gone by like 10:30ish. I'm gonna try my best to be super quick. I'm not doing like makeup or anything. I'm just gonna be cozy and warm today because it's supposed to be like basically 50 degrees in San Diego. So I'm just going to do a quick shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, throw on sweatpants, thick socks, my coat. I'll probably just put like my tinted moisturizer on over everything else that I do on the regular, and then have like a quick like little espresso, and then I have like an apple turnover, have that, and then just like be ready to hit the road. I should be ready within like 20-30 minutes max. So I'll see you guys once we're on the road because I'm not driving. She's driving. So I'll be able to get some footage and whatnot while we are on the way. So stay tuned. Oh, check me out. Looking all moisturized. Period. Yes. Okay, so it's Giving Tinted Moisturizer by Smashbox. I will link it below. Eyebrows, I couldn't find my eyebrow pencil, so I just kind of like used something random that I had. But you know, we gave it a little natural vibe today. Natural cozy. Homegirl over here driving. Let us pray that we get to our destination safely because she'll know about these California drivers. But anyways, so we are on the way right now. Finally, it is 11:30. We're gonna get there in like almost 3 hours. We'll see. Maybe we'll make up some time along the way because there's like the fast lanes and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna hit up the Spruce Street Suspension Bridge first, and then probably like a park or something after that. But obviously, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. Stay tuned. So I attempted to nap. I maybe dozed off for like a second. Didn't really like nap, but it was nice because, you know, I'm usually the one driving. So it feels really nice and refreshing being a passenger. We are about an hour out from San Diego. It's a lot of cute views right now. The sun's like in and out because the weather is just really bipolar today. And we're just, you know, stuck in some like traffic vibe. So we're just cruising right now. But we're almost there. Okay, you guys, so we stopped at this rest area and it's giving like a tourist attraction. Like I've never seen this before in my life. But we are here. There's like birds chirping. It's so cute. Look at how cute it is. We are here at our first destination, the Spruce Bridge. You guys, so the sun is out. I guess we're about to get ran over because people are not paying attention. But we're going to this cute cafe right now. We're gonna get like teas and like a snack before we figure out where we're gonna watch the sunset. Look at our cute view. I love that we're sitting by plants. We are waiting for our latte. Hi, cutie. Thank you. I love bathroom humor. I got my ice cream fix from Salt and Straw. It's gonna be a good day.
Nobody wants to see that.
She's being a hater. You guys, we're back in the car. It got a little nippy out there, no? I'm glad we bought our coats.
Me too.
So I just finished my ice cream. We got back to the car in perfect timing right before the time ran out, and we are about to go to Sunset Cliff to watch the sunset. Who's excited? I'm excited. Just because I've always done like a beach sunset vibe, I feel like the cliff might be cool. All right.
I'm down for whatever.
I always am.
Oh, they're doing it
Look, you guys, we're at the cliff.
so pretty. Look at the surfer dude.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Pre-sunset vibes. There's like so many people here
waiting for the sunset. It's actually really cute. Everyone's kind of like camped out on their little spaces all the way down. That part. We are on our way currently to this really cute seafood restaurant, and I think that we are going to be by the water, which is going to be cute, but I hope that they have lamps because we're a little cold from sitting and watching the sunset. But look at this view.
That's a nice ass view.
Right, it is. This area is so cute, you guys. It's like a little like yacht vibe area by the water. The restaurant isn't actually on the water, which is a little disappointing, but that's okay. And we are running and hoping that we can get some seating. We called and they're pretty busy, but she said like the bar and lounge area is open and it's first come first serve, so we're running right now. You guys, look, it's an upside down boat in the restaurant. So cool.
Where they came with like the French fries and vegetables. But I have to record this moment.
Okay. I hope you like it.
Thank you.
He's giving you positive vibes.
Ew, it's like wet. That's like the thing that's creeping me out is like the gross wetness on it. Is it like already in there or like Alright,
Sorry, I'm sorry for the people who actually like oysters.
do I have to, so I don't chew it or just swallow?
I heard too that you always just have to swallow, you slurp and swallow it. Like
Here we go.
Down here.
That's just weird. Like it didn't even taste like anything because I didn't chew it.
And he, bitch, are you recording? Wait, why did I just not? You guys, do I need the flashlight? Can I do a flashlight on a video? You guys, ma'am, pay attention, please, ma'am.
What?
So we just left the really cute seafood spot.
You're so annoying.
Excuse me?
So, this bitch is in Colorado Springs? Wow, I just missed her.
Anyways, so we just left the really cute seafood spot, and the food was pretty delightful. Neither of us finished our plates because we know we just got a little full, but we love leftovers. And now we are about to go to a brewery because I just feel like it's only right to go to a brewery before we leave San Diego. So that's about to be the last stop before we head back to the great Los Angeles. But yeah, and then you guys could obviously come with us and watch us try some flights of beer. Okay.
Alrighty. Ready?
Alrighty, checklist.
We really don't know.
All right, so what are you trying first, ma'am?
I think we're just gonna try them in order.
Okay, same. We have 3 of the same, right?
Yeah.
Our first one's the only one that's different,
Yep. You have salty fruit.
and then you have
And
whatever.
I have weekend bags.
Okay. Alrighty. Cheers. Cheers, sweetie.
Yum. I like this one.
This one kind of like low-key tastes like a Guinness.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. This one's like really like fruity and floral. What do we think for like fucking white people tasting wine? I taste the hint of.
I'm dead. Are we doing like we're gonna finish each, or we're gonna taste and then drink it? However.
I don't know how you're supposed to do these. Like I know there's like not a way, but
I don't even know if I'm gonna finish all of these.
Yeah, we're
Low key, right?
We're probably gonna get drunk. Bitch.
No, we're not. I'm not lightweight.
Okay. Excuse me.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna get a decent little buzz.
So then next we're gonna do Sandia sour. All right. Ready. Pa abajo. Pa dentro. Pa
I don't
dentro.
know
Pa
how to
dentro.
even say that. It's not sad. Cheers. As I think I'm the queen of
Queen of Español. Me gusta. Right?
También. Yummy.
Sí, sí, mami.
Yum. I like that.
That is a
one.
fave so far, right?
That
We
one's
agree.
good.
It almost gives like a little, like a low-key, like rosé vibe, ish.
I could see that.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a one that's not sweet. And that's why I like sours. Sours are really good usually. They're usually like one of my go-tos.
Wait, my question. Wait. Question. Pregunta. Do we want to switch this since we have the same? So we try it at the same time.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna do this draw.
Wait. Okay,
we're-
you switched yours.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm like, if we switch it at the same time, that's still wrong. Okay, so we're gonna do nice and dry. Okay. Nice and slow. Salud.
Salud. I
Okay.
like this one, yeah.
I'm not mad at it. Very light.
And I like that it's not like mad sweet.
Mhm.
Because I feel like with ciders, they're so sweet sometimes. It's like disgusting.
It almost is giving like a white wine vibe though.
Yummy.
Okay.
Alright, next.
All right.
The Natto.
Lager.
The Natto Lager.
Lager. I don't know. I'm a little weird about
Lager. I
lagers.
had to make sure that she corrected
When I said the lager?
When you're like the NATO and she's like the Natto. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she did make sure.
She
Yeah.
had to make sure. I knew she
That was
gonna do
annoying.
that shit.
Ew, bye, bitch. That's so annoying. Like you didn't have to do me like that.
Right. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is exactly how I imagined this one was gonna taste. Yum.
You like?
I love Japanese beers.
I don't know. It's giving like it's something about it tastes like burnt or toasted.
But I think they make a lot of their beers with rice.
Oh, rice.
I
That's
think,
what it is.
I think.
I
bitch,
think
don't
so.
quote me on
They
that.
do. They do. Like sake. Sake's made with rice, right? Or am I mixing it up with something else?
I think sake is made with rice, but that's not beer, bitch.
I know, but still, it's Japanese. So
Let
I
me
assume-
see if
I assume similar vibes.
I need to Google this.
Okay, yeah, please Google. Yeah, that's probably my least favorite one. Sorry.
I mean, I like it. So
I know you
gotta
do,
talk.
but I'm
I
still-
didn't make it. I didn't make it, bitch.
I'm dead. Yeah, I think my favorite is definitely the Sandia sour.
Yeah, I like the sandia. I like this one too. Aww. Wow. Wow, it's pretty. Oh.
Yeah, I think for me it's Sandia sour.
Yeah,
Then
they're made with rice.
then it's nice
Most
and dry.
Japanese beers.
then it's salty crew, and then it's the lager, the natto.
Alright, this child needs
Is
to
it
go.
natto? It's natto, right?
Colorful
The
water.
colorful. She said colorful waters.
Hey!
Yes,
Oh,
colorful
no,
cold
not
waters.
for babies though.
Not safe for babies. You know
Yeah, babies can't drink this colorful water.
Are you ready?
She's so cute. Are you driving?
Yeah. Hey y'all. Oh look, it's a cutie. Happy Sunday. So today I want to say we have like another adventurous day. We have a couple things planned. We are getting ready. We're pretty much ready to head out right now. We're gonna go to Melrose Trading Post, and then we're gonna go to Chocolate Sunday, and then that's pretty much gonna like wrap up the day. But obviously, you guys get to come along with us, and we about to have some fun today. The sun's coming out. The weather's a little shitty, but it's definitely one of those days where it's like partly cloudy, partly sunny. It's cold, so the outfits today is giving warm chic. I'll show you the outfit in a second before we head out. So this is the outfit. It's just warm, chic. I have tights on under my jeans, as you can see, thick socks. There's a bodysuit under this sweater, warm furry jacket, Sunday tings. All right, you guys, so we are about to walk into the Melrose Trading Post. It's always busy over here. Y'all will see when we get in there. And we're here. Vendors on vendors on vendors on vendors. Y'all know I had to stop at the vinyl section. You guys, look at these clocks. They're like book clocks. I'm obsessed, especially this one, the Warhol. So cool. Harry Potter! It's literally so overwhelming here because there is a lot of options, like too many options. Like you can find anything here. You guys, so I didn't vlog that much while I was in there because I was trying to live in the moment, and Mariah was trying to find her 2 skirts. She did it. It was a fail. I got 2 vinyls. I'll show you guys later. But I did meet up with my friend and his boo. And, you know, it was a little less awkward than I thought it was going to be. She's actually really cool. Definitely would kick it with them. And I don't really like kicking it with couples, but, you know. Now we're about to go eat at Pura Vida. I don't know if that's how you say it or if you just say Pura Vida. I don't know what this place is called, but I've heard of it before. And I'm definitely excited to try it. So right now, we're about to go there before we go to the comedy show. And they're also joining us for the comedy show. Woo! This is where we are going. Pura Vida. We are here. I'm the only one here. We got 1 in the bathroom and 2 looking for parking. Brussels sprouts. Parmigiana.
That's amazing.
Lasagna.
I don't need you in my plate.
Lasagna. Kale salad. Pomodoro. Bon appetit. You guys, so
let's cross the street.
Okay, let's cross the street first.
It's freezing.
You guys, so we know that the ticket said if you get free tickets, you are not guaranteed entry. You just have to show up early, which we all did, right? So we showed up early. There was a shit ton of us that unfortunately didn't make it in. But at a certain point, the people working the door knew we wasn't gonna get in, and they waited hella long
45 minutes
to tell us
to come out and
that
like,
they were at
"Oh, you're not
capacity.
gonna get it."
And it's cold outside. Like, that's just plain rude. Like, what?
Disgraceful.
And there was also no update until they told us 45 minutes later that we weren't getting in.
That was
So,
such a joke.
Yeah. A little disappointed, but we did get like a low-key ghetto show. Because
that was fucking weird.
This white guy came by and he was definitely a comedian, you could tell, but he started off a little funny, and then he like veered into just like offensiveness, and we were like, we started getting a little uncomfortable, and we're like, okay, you can wrap it up, sir.
And he didn't want to wrap it up. That's the sad part.
Yeah, but we didn't get in, but it's okay. We still had a pretty eventful evening.
We had a great day.
We did have a great day.
We did.
I'm right now about to drop her to the house because we about to go make some money. It's Sunday night, baby. So we're wrapping it up today. You guys, so it's Monday and Mariah leaves today, and I had a really irritating start to the day. I have to like register or like check to see if I have jury duty this week, but I accidentally threw away like my summons that they sent me, and I don't know what my number is, and they don't have like an easy
like, what do you call it? They don't have like an easy option to like do like oh, I don't have my number, you know, like fill out your email or your social, like whatever, and you can get your number. It's not that. It's like you have to call them. You have to wait in the queue. But long story short, I called like 5 times this morning already since 8 o'clock, and one of the times I called, it was like saying that there was like 50,000 people in the queue. I don't know what that was about. Called again. Something came on talking about I needed an extension. There's no extension. Then it hangs up. Then again, I got someone, and I'm talking to the lady, and she asks me my address, and then the call cuts off. Didn't get a call back, which I also think is annoying. Like, you have some of my information already. You should have at least had my phone number, call me back, something. I guess maybe they don't care that deeply. Called again. Something happened where, like, it just cut off again. Called again. The extension situation happens again. Then I call a different number because it provided a different number. Then that number's like, oh, you can only call from 2:30 to 4:30. So I'm like, okay, fine. I guess I'll move on with my day and call them within that time. But it's just like frustrating. First of all, like, I don't even want to do this shit. Second of all, y'all summon me like every year, if not every other year, and y'all don't use me. So like, this shit is just like really pissing me off anyways, because like, I just like, make it make sense and make it more organized, right? Like, that's all I'm asking for. But anyways, so today it's kind of like a low-key boring day, but I'm about to do laundry. My laundry is overflowing, and then I have a couple plants that they have like mold on it, so I'm gonna repot some of those, and you guys can you know like be with me while I do that. And then I'm just gonna probably wrap it up after the plant situation. But I just thought I'd get on here and, you know, explain to you guys like what's going on. But it's to the point where I have gospel in the background right now. I love gospel on the regular anyways, but like, I just feel like there's energy that's like trying to really ruin my day today, and I'm just like really trying to fight it. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a productive day, and this jewelry situation is gonna be all worked out. I'm just like really annoyed right now. You guys, guess where we're heading right now? Stay tuned.
It's like stabbing you with their dick.
You guys. Yes, it is. We are about to cross the border to Tijuana.
I'm so confused. Am I going the right way?
You guys, it was just like mad easy to cross over to the border, and we here.
We made it.
We made it to Mexico. This is literally like the border walls. It's like this one, and then there's another border like parallel to that. How crazy, you guys. How crazy. And then we're about to drop this one off at the airport.
You get home.
Okay, bye my Mexican queen. Safe travels. Be safe. So we came by to this like gas station by the airport so that we can shop for snacks. And look at all the cool Mexican snacks. We got snacks. We got snacks. We got snacks.
We got the goods. We got the goods.
Oh, you dropped something. Snack check. I got guayaba juice. That's guava, you guys. I got japones. This is just like peanuts, I think, with like soy sauce. It's like a Japanese vibe. Jackie got
bebida de piña, pineapple juice. Then I got these. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but I see spice. I see lime, and I love spice and limes.
They kind of really look like the hot Cheetos, but like the French fries ones.
Yeah, and I'm here for that.
That one, and then these ones.
Then I got these as well. It looks like maybe like a ketchup chips vibe.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Because it has like the tomate and then the potato, the papas. And then we got galletas fresca de leche, and that's strawberry milk. Strawberry milk galletas.
Yes.
And then she got the big bag of these.
Oh, we got these ones.
Oh, and then we got these Cremax, right?
Yeah.
How do you say it?
I don't know. I say like Cremax.
Cremax. That's it, right? That's how we got. Oh, you got Pringles, right?
Oh, yeah. And then we got the one thing that we could always rely on is Pringles.
Pringles, yes.
Yeah.
We did good. It's definitely giving strawberry milk. It has a little strawberry, you see? So good. I like it. Me gusta.
It's pretty nice and like it's natural. Because I like the... Actually, wait, no. Yours, you could see the actual strawberry.
Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah, like show it in the camera. Right there.
Yeah. We like it. My little hobo beanie. Still cute though, don't get it twisted. Like it. Meat.
Oh my god. These are so good.
Delicioso.
Oh yeah. Let me hold that for you.
Thank you. Oh, they look so light and airy.
They're so good.
Wait. The lime like hits you after.
Yes. It's so good.
Me liking.
It's really good.
Wow. Sure got 2 bags.
Guys, we are driving and the line is so long.
We're never getting back.
So we had a little bit of trouble. We were right at the border, but obviously like we couldn't cut in line. But this dude is right here apparently.
Are they gonna let us cut?
Nah, you better watch it. You better learn your Spanish if you're gonna cut people off.
I mean, that's where we're supposed to turn, but I guess it's a matter of if somebody's gonna let us in or not, right? Doesn't really look like they will.
They're gonna get a little mad.
That's crazy that so many people are freaking about to cross the border. This is crazy. This is like at least a mile.
Yep. Well, at least we're not illegally going through the border.
Oh my gosh, it's so long.
Yeah.
I don't even think I can go down now. I have to turn around.
I would say do what that other person was doing and just go cut in line. Do it. Stop. Right here.
Do we think this is a 2-way street though? Oh, sorry.
Oi.
I didn't realize somebody was in front of me. Behind me.
Yeah. Well, actually, look, the road's right there. You see?
Yeah, but it's going this way only.
Okay, wait. I was saying go back and cut in line.
This way?
Go back. I'm telling you, go back. Do not go
Like
new.
to back up?
Okay, listen.
I don't think it's a 2-way street.
Listen to what I'm saying. Turn, go, move your car this way, and literally go back, and then ask people. No. Okay, yeah, whatever.
What do you mean go back?
Okay,
Reverse?
I'm just saying yes, reverse.
All the way back there.
Yes, and then just like ask people to cut in line and just say you're like American.
I mean, they all look like they're American, to be honest. Global entry, Century Lane,
No, that's the airport, and then you're going somewhere else. Just back up, or else you're gonna speed it.
I just feel like this is just like so dangerous.
No. That's not what I literally mean. I mean, I mean, like, fix your car. Like, go.
But it's a one-way street. I'm pretty sure it's a one-way. It doesn't look like it's a two-way street.
No, but that other guy. Okay.
You see how there's people coming down in both lanes? I think it's a one-way. That's why I'm saying I can't do that.
I guess, but there was another dude that all the lanes.
Because
All right, guys. So I convinced her to turn around. And now what we're doing is we're just going to try and cut in line and ask people nicely if we can, like, kind of get in.
No, he's not going to let us.
Can I go in? Can I go? Sí? Gracias. Hey! See, I told you! Ah!
Oh, what a nice man.
Wow, he was nice.
He was nice.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, usually people in a pickup truck is like, a little scary.
Mm-mm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this line is so long. I wonder how long we're going to be in it.
I know.
At least we have snacks.
I'm gonna record the whole thing. You should put, like...
I mean, I had put, I'm gonna just hyperlapse it.
It's a good thing we got gas.
Back in California, thank the Lord. Never again. Never again. Get me home.
Now we'll just do like this really quick. Or you could do the time lapse on here actually. Back home.
The only thing is not gonna play the music at the same time.
Oh, okay.
You guys, I am beyond exhausted. I have been up now for a little over 24 hours. And I definitely almost crashed a couple times, not gonna lie. The swerving was real. My eyes are burning. I'm exhausted. I'm about to just go pass out. Never again. Never again.